Hexagon quilt pieces can be more complex to sew because of the Y seams where the hexagons meet. However, a little prep work and attention to detail make it easy to sew these shapes by machine. Start by making a hexagon template the size of your final hexagon. Place the plastic pattern on the back of the fabric and draw around it using a water-soluble marker. Draw the desired number of hexagons on the fabric, leaving at least 3/4 of an inch in between each hexagon. Using a clear gridded ruler, cut the hexagon out, adding a 1/4 inch seam allowance to all sides. Arrange the hexagons in a row. Position the sides of the hexagon so that they are vertical and the top and bottom forms a point. Pick up the first and second hexagons and place them right sides together. Place a straight pin at each end of the drawn line and poke it through both fabric layers so the lines are accurately matched up. Sew the seam from pin to pin, backstitching at the beginning and end of each sewn line. Add the next hexagon to the end and sew in the same manner. Continue for the full length of your project's row. Press the seam allowances all in one direction. To sew rows together, sew the point seams and valley seams together, one seam at a time. Match up the ends of each line and poke a pin through both fabric layers to match up the lines. Once your rows are sewn, press the seams so they alternate direction going around the hexagon. This forms a small hexagon where the ends meet and makes a flatter, finished patchwork piece.